In early May 2022, investors saw something that was never supposed to happen. The stablecoin UST, which promised to stay always equal to $1, suddenly dropped to 99 cents, then 90, then 70. Billions vanished within hours. Exchanges froze. Panic spread. The entire market fell like dominoes. In just 2 days, one of the biggest crypto projects in the world collapsed. And most people didn't yet realize that the whole Terra Luna system had just broken. At the center of the project stood Kwon, a young, confident founder of Terraform Labs. He claimed he was building a new financial system that would replace banks and power the digital economy. He spoke loudly, mocked critics, and treated any doubt as weakness. His team built the Terra ecosystem, including UST and the Luna token. Growth was fast, and Kwon developed an almost cult-like following. The idea seemed simple. UST was a stable coin, always worth $1. Luna supported its price through an algorithm. The mechanism looked elegant. If UST fell, Luna would be burned. If UST rose, more Luna would be minted. But the real magnet was the Anchor platform. It offered around 20% returns on UST. To millions of people, it looked like a safe deposit with huge profit. Money flowed in quickly, but inside the system were hidden risks. Anchor's high yield depended entirely on a constant flow of new deposits. It was not backed by real business or sustainable assets. Economists warned that the model was unstable. Kwon dismissed the criticism, mocked skeptics, and called them idiots. But the pressure was growing. If people started withdrawing money, the system would break. In early May 2022, large holders began selling UST. The algorithm responded by printing massive amounts of Luna to defend the peg. But the market couldn't absorb it. Supply grew faster than demand. The drop accelerated, UST kept falling, and trust disappeared. Investors saw that the mechanism no longer worked. A chain reaction of panic selling began. Within days, UST fell almost to zero. Luna, once worth hundreds of dollars, became a worthless token with a massive supply. Over $40 billion in value disappeared. Millions of people lost their savings. Exchanges halted trading. Communities demanded answers. Terraform Labs released statements, but it was already too late. After the collapse, Kwon became the target of international investigations. He faced charges of fraud, market manipulation, and hiding the risks of the project. Interpol issued a red notice. South Korea requested his extradition. Hundreds of thousands of investors filed lawsuits. The Terra Luna crash became the biggest stablecoin failure in history and shook the entire crypto market. A system that promised new money collapsed under its own design and the overconfidence of its creator. Terra Luna became a reminder: in crypto, loud promises can hide fatal flaws. And when one piece breaks, the entire industry feels the shock. If you want more short investigations about major financial failures, subscribe.